Hello guys, hello, good afternoon. It's a Sunday afternoon gig. Dito lang tayo sa Palacio Antonio sa Barangay Tibig, Lipa City, Batangas. So it's event ulit ng July. So bahala na po tayo guys. Hindi na lang pamakorin ang aming magiging tutugan. This time, iba naman yung kasama kong singer, si Janea naman. So tingnan nyo na lang guys. Okay, bye-bye. Asos, kidding. Yes, mga kasos, giliw. It's a Saturday afternoon event rin. 40 years anniversary celebration. Itong ating tutugtugan. Bali mga doctor and doctors itong ating mga tutugtugan na ito. So guys, ito yung setup natin. Always ang ating laptop para sa ating MIDI player. And then ang ating mixer na Yamaha with Nox MG300. Yan. Siyempre ang ating guitar. Of course, ito guys yung setup dito sa Palacio Antonio. At mamaya-maya pa lang ay magsisimula na tayo. It's 6 o'clock, sabi nila 6:30 ang simula. So ayan, makikita nyo ang setup. Ang ganda naman ang setup nila. So yun, abangan nyo na lang ang aming tugtugan maya-maya lang na konti. So ito yung buffet table. Yan, dito muna tayo sa lobby nila. Pakita ko muna sa inyo ang kanilang lobby. So ito, maganda yung lobby nila. Parang 5-star hotel ang dating. Yan, dito lang yan sa amin sa Lipa, Batangas. Yan, maganda ang setup nila at maganda rin to. Yan, pinakita na ang bida ng inyong vlog na ito. Yan ang bida, ang inyong sus giliw. Yan, lakad-lakad muna tayo at dito tayo. Yan, buhay mayaman. Yan, buhay mayaman muna tayo ang mga sandaling ito. Yan, rock and roll. So, ito na, malapit na tayo mag-start. Ito na.
Puso ko na mamahal. Russell.
Hindi ko alam kung business. Bahala na. Ilipat ko na.
You can reach me by railway. You can reach me by railway. You can reach me on an airplane. You can reach me with your mind. You can reach me by caravan. Cross the desert like an aeroplane. I don't care how you get here, just get here if you can. Just get here if you can. Thank you so much, and that will be our last song for this set.
And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. So once more, let's give a big warm round of applause, of course. Shadow Sounds for the beautiful band performances. So later, everybody brace yourselves. We will be hearing more from them, all right? And we know that so much has already happened in one day, and we still have the entire evening ahead of us, and nothing less can be expected from the warm and excellent services of Palazzo Antonio. So I hope after the dinner, everybody will be staying until the end of this celebration. So enjoy this evening, ladies and gentlemen.